Integrate 5x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4 times sin x minus 5 upon x square plus 6 upon x cube with respect to x. So let us name this integral as I. So let I be equal to integration of, the first term is 5 times x raised to 4 minus 3 times x square plus 4 times sin x minus 5 times, now 1 upon x square could be written as x raised to minus 2, plus 6 times 1 upon x cube can be written as x raised to minus 3, and then we write the dx term. Now we integrate the individual terms. So 5 is the coefficient. So 5 times, now integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 3 times, now integration of x square is x cube upon 3 plus 4 times integration of sin x is minus cos x minus 5 times integration of x raised to minus 2. So this is x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus 6 times integration of x raised to minus 3 is x raised to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Now we simplify this further. So we could cancel the 5. So we have x raised to 5. 3 cancels with 3. So we have minus x cube. 4 into minus cos x, that's minus 4 cos x. Simplify this. So minus 5 times, this is x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus 6 times, this is x raised to, now minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2 upon again minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2 plus c. Now this could be simplified further. So we have x raised to 5 minus x cube minus 4 cos x. Now we could cancel off these two negative signs. So this becomes plus 5, and if we take the reciprocal of x raised to minus 1, so this becomes 5 upon x. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. We have a positive and a negative sign here, so we have negative 3, and we take the reciprocal of x raised to minus 2. So this becomes minus 3 upon x square plus c. So this is the required integral value. Integrate 14 times x raised to 6 minus 5 times x raised to 4 plus 7 times root x minus 2 times cot x into cosec x plus 5 with respect to x. Now we name this integral as I. So let I be equal to integration of 14 times x raised to 6 minus 5 times x raised to 4 plus 7 times, now root x could be replaced by x raised to half minus 2 times, now we just rearrange these two terms, so it becomes minus 2 times cosec x into cot x plus 5 and dx. Now let us integrate each of the terms. So 14 is the coefficient, so we have 14 times integration of x raised to 6 is x raised to 7 upon 7 minus 5 times integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5 plus 7 times integration of x raised to half is x raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1 minus 2 times. Now integration of cosec x into cot x, that's minus cosec x plus integration of 5 is 5x plus c. Now we simplify this further. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are is 14. So the first term is 2 times x raised to 7. 5 cancels with 5. So we have minus x raised to 5 plus 7 times x raised to, now half plus 1, that becomes 3 by 2 divided by again half plus 1. So that's 3 by 2. Now minus 2 into minus cosec x, that becomes plus 2 times cosec x plus 5x plus c. Further, this could be written as 2 times x raised to 7 minus x raised to 5. Now 2 gets multiplied in the numerator, so 2 times 7 is 14. So we have 14x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 plus 2 times cosec x plus 5x plus c.